after doing about 6.5 years in Government of India, when I came to Andhra Pradesh, I find that Andhra Pradesh is much more illiterate than Government of India. But there are islands of good IT work done in Government of India, which I had a chance to see. For example, MCA 21, company affairs, all the matters relating to corporate, entire thing is automated. But when earlier I had got some ideas about MeSeva, because I know that Mr. Satyanarayana, who was the Principal Secretary IT, who is he is one of the few experts in the country having both IT and domain knowledge, and he was also CCLA. So lot of foundation was created for a very long time, and because of such drives by people like Satyanarayana, and now Sanjay is doing, I think we are in a stage where we have history of IT preparedness. Centralized databases are created, like for example, revenue database, almost 99% the records are available. Next centralized database, for example, is registration has done. They are going to bring it very shortly. Other departments are trying. If the centralized databases are available, like for example, property tax in Municipal Corporation of Hyderabad, water rate in a Metro Water Board. So database is very important, and for this, there has been a long effort by different departments. I would like to compliment, because we are today at a position where we are banking on the good work done by our predecessor and other people in the past. Now, I was thinking that when the MeSeva, we had a discussion with officers. 2-3 ideas struck to all of us. Currently, we are giving 58, now it has become 62 services in MeSeva. We have not done the service mapping. So we thought every service, every department, every head of the department, district can divide the services into 5 categories. The first category is the O type services, which are online. Like for example, today, Hyderabad collector few days back came to me. He has computerized all the maps, town survey records, which were done in 54, 55. 100% he has done. So on that, if you ask the Tahsildar to put a digital signature, he will not put, or the AD survey he will not put, because that is a record of 54, 55. 54, 55, who did it? That copy can be certified. So when we, such kind of services, where for example, you don't need to collect 20 rupees or 25 rupees or 35 rupees, they can all be given through the portal, through the website, wherever people are able to develop the portal. Otherwise, effort should be IT. 75% effort should be for creating the domain base and also creating the process, classifying, and we are not doing IT only for IT sake. We are doing IT for good decision making, good services, good scheme implementation. So therefore, what I would request, every department is having some IT capability, every IT, we can pull together. Narega, for example, has got IT team. Say, for example, our district IT officer. So therefore, I would suggest every department, every district must have a team. Those teams are very special people with whom we can have training program. Then, after although our focus is on services, in fact, revenue department, we have identified, it has come to something like 100 and odd services it has come. I will make a small presentation. And whereas we have only put 38, 90% of the transactions in Mi Seva are revenue services. That is mainly because centralized database was created earlier through people like Satyanarayana and other efforts. So therefore, what I am requesting is that although our focus will be Mi Seva, next focus will be to pull together what all tools are available with the departments. For example, Joint Collector Chittoor has developed a file tracking system. Joint Collector Warangal has developed a file tracking system. APTA has developed KM Atom. NIC has developed e-office. All are same. So the question is that which one is the best, that we have to list out. Say for example, Rangareddy has done a call center. Chittoor has done call your collector. Our Medoc has done call your collector. So standardized tools like grievances, Prajavani, where people are giving a petition, that petition is tracked. Call center, whether the call is to the collector or to joint collector, they have to be tracked. Call center package, file tracking package, human resource management package. For example, today I was calculating this thing. We have got something like Khammam, half of the Tahsildars are vacant. There is nobody to tell me in my office that how many vacancies are pertaining to how many Tahsildar, Deputy Tahsildar, VROs. In fact, yesterday I was looking, there are actually 2,000, out of the 2,000 odd VROs, 800 can be done by the collectors. 4,300 there VRAs, they can be done by the collectors. For some simple thing, it is pending for 9 months, 8 months. So therefore, second thing is that first is the services planning, mapping. Second is the teams. Third is the standard pack tools which can be implemented across the board. If, for example, in Delhi, in my ministry, we are using a file tracking system that is used everywhere. Grievances tracking system, same package everywhere. So therefore, there is no need. Many of the joint collectors out of enthusiasm, they want to do something within a quick time, but then after they go, for example, that falls flat. So lastly, we have to do schemes tracking, because whether the schemes are delivering or not. And apart from the standard tools for governance, tracking of schemes, service provision through Mi Seva, lastly, we should have databases development, that is very important. And finally, now Aadhaar is coming, it is a boon. East Godavari Joint Collector has put all the Aadhaar numbers in the Adangal, in the remarks column. Henceforth, say for example, Rangareddy was telling that they have done 91% Aadhaar they have done. So wherever you do, whether it is a Pattadar passbook, in fact my idea is Pattadar passbook, first 2 pages will be Aadhaar. Whatever Aadhaar card has come, scan करके उसको कर दीजिए. Then income certificate, caste certificate, nativity certificate, whatever you want to do, it has got the certificate with Aadhaar. So our effort would be to seed Aadhaar number to every program, every scheme, every database, every service, this thing. After some time today, for example, if you look at input subsidy, somebody has got land 1 acre in one village, another half acre in another village, another half acre in another village, he is getting the input subsidy, because there is no way you can track 4 or 5 people. So therefore, Aadhaar is a very important. So these are some of the ideas which, in fact, I have to learn a lot from Sanjay and other people who have done, because they have done a lot of work, and we can bank on that and proceed further. Thank you very much.